In case you don't know this, I am collecting stitch pins. So if you know anyone want to trade, make sure you follow me and let me know. I love to trade with you. Okay, let's get started today's video. If this is the first time you discover my channel, welcome. My YouTube channel is focused on 90% skincare, 10% lifestyle. I have over 30 years experience in cosmetic. That's what made me an expert in skincare education and skincare recommendations. I also love traveling and theme park, especially Disneyland. So if you like what you hear so far, make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel. But here, turn on the notification bell so you know the day and the time I release my video. Okay, so like I say, I bought this on Mercari, online selling site, and I scored this three amazing stitch pins. So I'm going to show you from the smaller one to the large one, okay? So you can see that. And the seller is amazing. She packed everything so nice, so good. So the first one I want to show you is this right here. Oh my gosh. So this is Tokyo Disney. You see that? So there's 4 pins in here. It's a stitch in different movement and different character basically. This is so cute. And in Japan, this actually sells for 2,000 yen. I also want to say how much is like in US dollar, but my phone is filming right now, so I can't show you. But let me just open this up because I actually want to put this on my pin board. So, oh my God, this is so beautiful. This is a, this is a stitch in hula. Look at this. And this is the back of the pins. Super, super cute. And this one here is when he get angry. How many arms Stitch have when he get angry? 4. Look at this. It's beautiful pins, right? Really nice. You see the weight right here, the whip. And this is the back. Oh my gosh. And of course, Stitch want to be Superman. So silly. Look at this. Oh, this is so cute. And of course, Stitch love ice cream just like me. This is nice. It's pretty large pin. It's about almost 2 inches long. Look at this. Oh my God. So this is the first one I got. Okay. And now I want to show you the next one. Oh my, this one is so beautiful. It's the, so you can see it's Tokyo Disney, and it's the 20-year celebration pins, and it is Lilo's and Stitch. I forgot her name. I don't know the baby's name right here, but you can tell me. So when you open this, it's right here. Oh, look at this. Oh my God. So in Japan money, this is 2,860 yen. And then I'm just opening this right here, right? Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Typically, that if you plan to resell them, you should keep it in the original box. But I want to use, I don't think I'm gonna sell them anyway. I'm gonna just put it in my pen trading board. So I want to show you this. You can see this. This is like a pen on there. It's so beautiful, the colors, you see that? It's kind of like a watercolor style. And this is the back of the pants. It's so beautiful, I swear. And this one, oh, it's everyone. I don't know all their name. The alien, the sister, and the Stitch is all together with a Hawaii flower. It's a really large pen too. See this? Oops. And the last one, it's just Stitch. He's very happy. 20-year celebrations. Look at that. It's so beautiful, right? What I love about this whole collection is the color. It's like a watercolor. They paint it over. It's like an art. So beautiful. I love it. Okay. So total we have how many pins? 7 pins already, okay? The last one is 6,600 yen, and this is the Stitch in Elvis style. Are you guys ready? You guys ready? Ta-da! Wait, can you see it? Oh my gosh. This is amazing. Amazing. And so special, even the pen stopper is in gold. Oh my god, I just realized something. Hold on, let me pull this out first to show you guys. This is so nice. So nice. Hold on. Look at the pen. I don't know if you can see it. My camera doesn't catch. This white here has iridescent blue in here. Let me see, can I get it better? You see a little bit? You see that? Hold on. Oh my god, this is so cute. And the arm move a little bit, see it? It's like he's playing guitar. Wow. Everything in this collection is playing guitar. He's angry at the guitar right now. It's like, I don't want to play anymore. Oh my god, look at his face. So cute. Check this out. Check this out. Oh my god, you have to see this. Oh my gosh. Is this a beautiful? You can see the little blue iridescent in the pens area. See that? Two more. Some of the pens actually has a movement in there. So like for example, this one it actually move a little bit. The guitar move a little bit. Did you notice that his paws is like this? Ah! Ah! I don't know why I like Stitch. So I started pen trading late last year, and then everyone's asking me, who do you collect? What do you collect? I was like, I don't know. I just collect whatever, right? But then just recently, about 3 weeks ago, I just discovered I love Stitch. So I told everyone that I know, I want Stitch pens. So then instantly I got so many. So let me know if you want to see my entire collection of Stitch pens. I will show you because I have quite a few. Not 100, but at least 50 or 60 of them, I think. I don't know, I didn't count. But anyway, definitely let me know if you want to see that. Alright, I just want to show you the pens I got from Akari. And I believe that all three together, I only pay less with shipping and tax, I think less than $130. But they were over 12 pens. So that means average $10 each. You know at Disneyland, this will cost more than $10. So I think I got a really great deal. What do you think? Leave a comment below, let me know. Alright, before I go, make sure that you also check out my skincare brand, Yibu Beauty. It's a skincare that I created, I designed it. By far, I think it's the best skincare because it works and it's a good price and then it works. And it's made with a lot of passions. And I will also donate portion of the profit to no-kill animal shelter, because you know I have a daughter. Her name is Charlotte, and she's the rescue dog. And we definitely support no-kill animal shelter too. So not only you spend money, buy a good skincare, support small business, you're also saving animal too. How wonderful is that, right? All right, I want to say thank you so much for watching my video today, and I'll see you guys later, okay? Bye!
Mooncast Multitasking Tinted Moisturizer by Yibu Beauty contains over 90% skin-loving ingredients, more skincare than makeup. Our hero ingredients are hyaluronic acid and aloe vera. Hyaluronic acid for hydration and brightening, aloe vera to calm and soothe the skin. Carefully designed it for anyone with concerns of uneven complexions and/or dehydrated skin. Suitable for all ages, lifestyles, and skin types. For dry skin, use over a moisturizer. Give a bottle a shake before use. Dispense 2 to 3 pumps onto the palm. Massage hands together and apply to the face. Start from the center outward, covering the face, forehead, and neck.